Prove that sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Okay, so as usual, we start the solution with the LHS. Here LHS has two terms, that is sin A plus cosecant A whole square and cos A plus secant A whole square. So first part of the LHS we take, that is sin A plus cosecant A whole square. How are these two terms? A plus B whole square. Following the algebraic identities, A plus B whole square is equal to what? A square plus B square plus 2AB. Following that identity, this expression is expanded. Then see, sin square A plus cosecant square A plus 2 sin A cosecant A. Okay, in the 2AB term, the cosecant is to be modified. It is to be replaced by its a reciprocal identity. So then what you will get? Sin square A plus, and here cosecant square A is replaced by its equivalent identity expression, that is 1 plus cot square A plus 2 into sin A. Cosecant A is written as 1 by sin A. Now both the signs will get cancelled. Here it is in the numerator, it is in the denominator. So the sin and sin get cancelled. Then finally what remains? Sin square A plus cot square A. Here 1 and 2 together plus 3. Let it be as equation 1. Now take the second part, that is cos A plus secant A whole square. Expand following the A plus B whole square. So then cos square A plus secant square A plus 2 cos A into secant A. So here some terms are to be modified. Secant square A is replaced by its equivalent expression. Like that, secant A is written as its a reciprocal identity 1 by cos A. So then what we get? In the place of secant square A, 1 plus tan square A. Secant A is replaced by 1 by cos A. Now cos A get cancelled. And as it is simplified, what terms will get? Cos square A plus tan square A, 1 plus 2 together 3. Let it be as equation 2. Now LHS is nothing but sum of these two. So 1 plus 2, that is equal to sin square A plus cot square A plus 3 plus the second equation cos square A plus tan square A plus 3. Okay, as we simplify this, for the simplification, what to do again? See here, sin square A and cos square A. So sum of these two is equal to what? 1, which is the first trigonometric Pythagorean identity. So in the place of these two terms we can write 1. Then what we get? 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus and tan square A plus cot square A. So as we add all these numerals, what do we get? 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A, that is equal to RHS. Hence it is proved. Okay. To prove these two expressions are equal, we started from LHS. And each part of LHS is expanded following A plus B whole square identity. And then in the first part, cosecant square A is replaced by its equivalent expression, that is 1 plus cot square A. Cosecant A is replaced by 1 by cos A, sin A, which is its reciprocal identity. Next, second part, expanded secant square is replaced by 1 plus tan square A. And secant A is replaced by its reciprocal identity cos A. By simplification, we get two equations. As we add these two equations, this expression you got. Again, sin square A plus cos square A is replaced by its equivalent numerical value, that is 1. By adding all these, We got this expression which is nothing but RHS. So to prove all these sums, this type of models, you have to be thorough with the trigonometric identities. Not only the Pythagorean identities, reciprocal identities also you have to be perfect. Okay, by seeing the expression as per the ratio given, we need to use the suitable expression. Okay,